Hello and welcome to the Level 3 Year 1 Live Lounge of Coleg Llandrillo 2023, where the best artist will perform a diverse range of songs for you all to enjoy and to show off their skills. I will be your first performer, and my first song is Something About Me. I hope you enjoy. One, two, three, four. I think I'ma need you, but for how long? I'm not gonna leave you, even if you're gone. I think you should take my word for it. I think you should take my word for it. One, two, three, four. I'm here for a reason. I know you must be thinking there's something about me, something about me. Girl, I think I've hit the jackpot with you. I'm here for a reason. Girl, I know I'm thinking there's something about you, something about you. Girl, I felt a flick in that spot for you. Girl, I think I've hit the jackpot with you. Girl, I felt a flick in that spot for you. One, two, three, four. I think I'ma need you, but for how long? I'm not gonna leave you, even if you're gone. I think you should take my word for it. I think you should take my word for it. One, two, three, four. I'm here for a reason. I know you must be thinking there's something about me, something about me. Girl, I think I've hit the jackpot with you. I'm here for a reason. Girl, I know I'm thinking there's something about you, something about you. Girl, I felt a flick in that spot for you. Girl, I think I've hit the jackpot with you. Girl, I felt a flick in that spot for you. Girl, I think I've hit the jackpot with you. Girl, I felt a flick in that spot for you. Thank you very much. That was my first song, Something About Me. And now for my second and final song, Shakira was moving her hips outside the new Lidl in Bangor. Lidl in Bangor, barely even knew her. Move your hips, Shakira, get your body moving. New Lidl in Bangor, barely even knew her. Move your hips, Shakira, get your body moving. Yeah, I've seen Shakira. Yeah, get your body moving. Yeah, seen a body looking fresh. Got a pretty body looking fat, full of cash. Got a pretty eye for the hips on you, but I wanna make my way into Lidl too. Can't decide what I wanna do. Wanna take a look at you. Yeah, I've seen Shakira, seen her body moving, but I wanna shop for the one that I love, so I feel myself improving. Look, Shakira moving herself, Lidl in Bangor. Let's bounce to the new Lidl, old Lidl, every Lidl in the area we're in. New Lidl in Bangor, barely even knew her. Move your hips, Shakira, get your body moving. Move your in Bangor, barely even knew her. Move your hips, Shakira, get your body moving. Seen a new Lidl in Bangor, honestly that is a banger. Grab a shirt from my hanger, drop it on the floor, I feel anger, so I had to message Anna. She was my evening planner. She said in a kindly manner, let's go to Lidl in Bangor. Nearly got run over by a nana. Her music was too loud, she was a jammer. We wanted to hit her with a hammer. We could only do it with glamour, stammer. Only 'cause my girl is bad at grammar. Can't tell Aldi from Lidl in Bangor, but it doesn't matter 'cause this tune is a banger. New little in banger, barely even knew her. Move your hips, Shakira, get your body moving. New little in banger, barely even knew her. Move your hips, Shakira, get your body moving. New little in banger, barely even knew her. Move your hips, Shakira, get your body moving. New little in banger, barely even knew her. Move your hips, Shakira, get your body moving.
Taxi!
Thank you very much. I have been Dumb Sid. Over and out. I am now joined here by the amazing Illusion and Scott the bassist. I will ask you a couple of questions before you start your act. Now I want to ask you, what is your inspiration behind doing this music?
My inspiration behind the music is, well, I've always had, not talent, but I've always had that interest in producing music, and I just kind of just want to show off my talent, sort of.
I'm sure you've got a lot of that talent, I wouldn't fret there. Now Scott, you look like you've got a good hand with that bass. I assume you love playing it.
Yeah, of course. Why wouldn't I?
Well, let's have a look how good you really are. Good luck.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Check it. I'm gonna take this along. I wrote and I pretty wide man, I ain't one of those. And now you're trying to hit my line, and now I'm just like, whoa. Like, see, I'm floating, man, I'm still on my boat, and do you learn how to float and just get up and go? And I say you know, I know, you know, I know, it can't really float on my boat. Wow, that's a sign, go and do a way, talking to her way. No, you would sink on my ego, did the play on 2 and hold 200 on 22 away. And I'm so confused and she's clueless, clear why it's coming out of you like we shooting. She thinks she's looting. She don't know what she doing. Wait. Whoa, go, whoa, whoa. That song was called Whole Road. That was off my album called LV3. This next song is called Show Her How It Flies, which came on my album Goleuadau'n, which came out a month ago. Nah. Whoa. Wait, and I matter what is this time, but no you're not running this past. I'ma show you how that flies away and where you're acting big and now you ain't no vice. But when you rap, when you chat, then you look like rice. Looking so sweet and nice. Feel good depressing, yeah, not that kind. Snap out of it and that way we don't like ya. Only first thoughts and now I don't say kinda. Only show for show, can't get these parts and either why when you're done, yeah. Like a restart and now you eat all these tales, yeah. Like a restaurant, it's a fiction, not a story, yo. I like the fun, yo, but like a fun. Say my name, and I'm not you want. BMC and losing interest, but I'm already gone away. Like a skills, cause my friend can strip a little weight. Then you say it's all me and like, nah. Snap at it, back at it, like my. Snap it, back at it, snap, wait, snap, snap. That was cool, show her how it flies. This next song. So this next song is called Miles Per Hour. It's a process song about 20 miles per hour off my album called Goleuadau'n. Whoa, 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 whoa. Check it. Orchid face it, then I'm going and I'm going 1 mile, 20 minutes, I'll be there in a moment. We're going faster if I just start rowing. It's the same speed if you keep the same flowing. And whoa, orchid face it, then I'm going and I'm going 1 mile, 20 minutes, I'll be there in a moment. We're going faster if I just start rowing. It's the same speed if you keep the same flowing. And wait, what is this piece I don't fit in main street and now I took it on my face, it feels like out of place. Take it down like a case, we sold this ticket for the taker. We applied just in case, camera catch, hope it's fake. Ha, nah, hope it's fake. Camera catch, I hope it's fake. We applied just in case, 0, 0, 0, 0, and it's still gonna take. And that is still gonna take before we can record the stick before they take. So there's tickets, yeah, right before they take. So the take. Whoa. We saw the stickers, yeah, right before they take, yeah. Whoa, speeder than I never lose control. Whoa, same pace still on the road. Whoa, never caught driving those. Wait, whoa. Speeder than I never lose control. Whoa, same pace still on the road. Whoa, never caught driving those. And the hunting in plain sight. Back roads now cause we are on site. All lights now cause I can't see at night. A big sun and a 20, a big fright. Driving and I see all the lights. Can't see the fruit to my left and right. So it's just fine. Gonna go. Cause it's an orchid pace I'm going and I'm going 1 mile, 20 minutes, I'll be there in a moment. We go faster if I just start rolling. It's the same speed if we keep the same flow. And whoa, orchid pace and then I'm going and I'm going 1 mile, 20 minutes, I'll be there in a moment. We go faster if I just start rolling. It's the same speed if we keep the same flow. And sweet. And I can't do it, it's not right. Hey! So sing the line. There's a speeder that I never lose control. Whoa, same pace still on the road. Whoa, never caught driving those. Whoa. Speeder that I never lose control. Whoa, same pace still on the road. Whoa, never caught driving those. Speeding, nah. Whoa, speeding, never lose control. What else is there now? What else is there where I go? That was my song. Miles Per Hour off my album Goleuadau'n. Came out a month ago, please go stream it. This next song is called Moonlight. Actually, it's an anniversary today where it came out a year ago. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Mad, 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 mad. Whoa. Wait. Now I'm gasping for air, now it's on hair. Wait, it's all gone, I don't look at my hair. Whoa, here, not really here, looks at you shit. Where I'm living comfortable, I'm not living in fear. Wait, scan up what you're looking, yeah, just like I'm saying. I'm never really better, don't mess with that fear. Count to that, I can see right through ya. Count to that, living comfortable. Count to that, I can see right through ya. Count to that, living comfortable. Whoa, that Cadillac crack, stack it in pop. Wait, passive, scratching, and wait, what? It's got a lottery, got that ruler like a robbery. Living in space, yeah, feels like economy. Whoa, you gotta be, you better send it, it's send. Best at it, wait at it, back at it. Save your shit, don't give it from. Wait, don't give this weight, it's a stage you come off. Wait, don't care what to say, I'll never really run away. I only run when I win a holiday away. Yeah, you must be reborn again, and I do it over and over and over again. Wait, cause I'm counting down. Ooh, I can see you right. Ooh, counting down. Ooh, living comfortable. Counting, nah. Wait, counting. Ooh, I can see you right. Nah. Thank you.
I am now joined here by the wonderful Marnie singing two of her songs. And Marnie, I want to ask you, I want to get to know in here a little bit more. What are the inspirations behind some of your lyrics?
So basically, for my first song, it's kind of about like my dreams and how they make me feel.
Yeah.
Because I was going through like a time where I was having so many dreams and I just didn't know really what to do with them. So I thought I'll just put them on paper.
Well, that's the best thing you could do with them. Use them creatively. And what about the second song?
So the second song is a bit of a love song. It's quite cute. It's nice. Yeah. And the lyrics are, so there's like 3 different languages in there because I say I'm going to these 3 different places and then I explain, I say I love you in them 3 different languages. So I think that's a pretty cool lyric. I'm quite proud of myself for that.
Yeah, I think that's incredibly clever and we all love love. So please take it away.
Thank you. dream catcher, baby. Dream catcher, baby, on moonlight. Spilling through my window, quickly put my head on the pillow, close in slow motion. Yeah, my eyes are barely open. Do nothing for me now. I'm sleeping with my enemy. Yeah, oh, a dream catcher, baby, nightmare. But I do not get scared, no, because nothing's really there. It's just make believe in my head. Feeling like I'm falling from the sky. I feel alive, ignite my life, sugar and spice. Now it's getting serious and I'm starting to feel delirious. Dream catcher, baby, and my mind be driving me crazy. Counting sheep will do nothing for me. Now I'm sleeping with my enemy. Yeah, oh, a dream catcher, baby. Oh. My enemy. Yeah, oh, a dream catcher, baby. Oh. Dream catcher, baby. Oh. A dream catcher, baby. Oh. Thank you very much. So this second song is now it's called LV3, and this is the love song. Thinking about all the time we share. Oh no, we're going somewhere. Losing you would be a big mistake, and that's a risk that I will not take. So grab my hand and we'll travel the world. World's oyster and I'm your pearl. Paris, Mexico and next Milan. Je t'aime, te amo, darling, Paris. So take my hand and we'll travel the world. World's your oyster and I'm your pearl. Through thick and thin I will follow you. And here we are, this world is made for two. Smiles left, you just can't get enough. Love the way you look at me, you make me blush. You leave me, you'll make my heart break. No, you won't do that because you're not fake. So grab my hand and we'll travel the world. World's your oyster and I'm your pearl. Through thick and thin I will follow you. And here we are, this world is made for two. So grab my hand and we'll travel the world. The world's your oyster and I'm your pearl.
I think the same could be said for all of our performers today, don't you, Just? Thank you very much for watching day one of the Level 3 Year 1 Live Lounge, and we will be back to your screens on Friday. Thank you very much.